quick review on these earplugs. There's two of them. They come in large and small. They help with reducing 25 to 33 decibels, so don't expect you not to hear construction or like loud music, because these are not it. But for small sounds, maybe someone who's snoring, not very loud, not too loud, these are good. They will block out that sound. And this is how they come in a little case. Kind of remind me of some earbuds, and they fit really nice and they're comfortable around the ear because these are all like silicone. It's really soft and you can see how flexible it is. So it's good. If someone's snoring, this is good. But if they're like snoring a song or something like that, like really loud, then no, these won't be good. Click the link below to get this item. And also don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more real deal reviews.